You finish your problem of the day? Let's look at your problem of the day. Read it with me. Mr. Yandel tracks the number of hits on his company's website. Stop. What does number of hits on his company's website? What does that mean? What do you think that means?
His CD. That
Okay, what do you think it means when he's tracking the number of hits on his company website?
Likes.
Okay, he's saying likes.
Music.
Okay.
I keep counting how many hits he got on his
But what does hits mean? He's counting what?
How many people that like the song?
He's counting how many people visit his website. Okay, for 6 months. Finish reading with me. Let's begin. He finds that there were 365,074 hits.
What is the number in standard form?
Think about it. He found there were 365,074 hits. That's a lot of hits for the month. Was it 6 months? Okay.
C.
You're saying C. Why? Why did you choose C? Okay, so you're saying because you read 365,074 hits in the problem, what did you do when you came down? You found that number? Okay. Raise your hand if you agree. Seems like everyone. Good job. Excellent. All right, yesterday, what were we talking about yesterday? Yesterday. We talked about decimals. Elijah? Benchmark, okay. Sequencing and terms. Thousandth and hundredth. Tenth. Place value. What else did we talk about? Rounding. Anything else? Wholes, okay. Hold on, let's start right there. When we talk about wholes, which side of the decimal will a whole number be located?
Left.
Okay, if it's located on the left, what's located on the right?
10, 100,000.
Okay, let me ask you this also. Okay, when we're moving to the right of the decimal, what's that first place value?
10.
What's next?
100,000.
Okay, and what's on the end of those words?
10.
Okay, so when I'm moving down the place value chart, what's happening to my numbers?
It's getting smaller.
It's getting smaller. What's happening when I move to the left?
It's
It's getting bigger and larger. Excellent. What else did we talk about yesterday? What kind of problems did we work?
The fraction. Fraction. 10 times as much as. 10 times as much
Okay. Hold on. Yes?
10 times as much as.
10 times as much as, okay.
And
What else kind of problems did we work?
1/10 of.
1/10 of. Anything else?
No fractions.
Yes, we work fractions. Okay, anything else?
Sequence.
Okay. Now, I want you to put everything up and take out your math, your big math book. You see, count 5. All right, turn with me to page, I believe 108. 109. When you turn to page 109, say, I've turned to page 109, Miss Rogers.
I turned to page 109, Miss Rogers.
Okay. I want you to read the essential question. Read it to yourself.
How do
Read it to yourself. What do we say our essential question? What does that mean? When we say the essential question, why do they put that question there every time we get ready to start a new section in our book? Why is that question there?
Ms. Gunn, please come to the office. Ms. Gunn, please come to the office.
Okay, what? Okay, he said at the end of that section, you should be able to answer that question.
This is mostly what the page will be about.
Okay, he says mostly what that section is going to be about. Okay, read with me that essential question. How do you read, write, and represent decimals through thousands? Okay, so when we get finished today, you're going to be able to do what? Okay, but you're going to be able to do what? What did that question tell you should be able to do?
Read.
Hold on. He said read. All right, what else? Represent and write
Through thousands.
decimals through.
Thousands.
Okay, now look at your unlock the problem. What does unlock mean? Unlock the problem.
Solve the problem.
Okay, solve the problem.
Figure out the problem.
Figure out the problem.
You unlock the key of the problem.
I want you to listen and follow along in your book as they read it to you.
Unlock the problem. Real world. The Brooklyn Battery Tunnel in New York City is 1 in 726 thousandths miles long. It is the longest underwater tunnel for vehicles in the United States. To understand this distance, you need to understand the place value of each digit in 1 in 726 thousandths. You can use a place value chart to understand decimals. Whole numbers are to the left of the decimal point. Decimals are to the right of the decimal point. The thousandths place is to the right of the hundredths place.
Okay. Where was this taking place?
In New York City. Brooklyn Battery Tunnel in New York City.
Okay, and what city?
New York.
Raise your hand if you've ever been to New York City. Oh, wow. Really? You've been to New York? I've never been to New York City. I would love to go. Hands down. Here's a very busy place to go. All right, look at your chart. All right. We have standard form, word form, and expanded form. All right. Look at this section of your chart, just this section. What kind of form is this?
Standard.
Standard form. Okay, do everyone know how to write in standard form?
Yes.
So we can basically say that we have mastered that. We've mastered standard form. How would we read this word, this letter, this number? How would we read this?
1,700.
Hold on, stop. Let's remember yesterday. All right, when you have a decimal, if there's a whole number and then there's a decimal, that decimal you say and. All right, let's read it.
1,726,000.
All right, we got that part. Excellent. All right, next, what kind of form is this?
Expanded.
That's our expanded form. Have you ever written expanded form using fractions?
No.
No, so this is new to you. This is kind of new to me also because when I used to teach math, we wrote it using decimals. So this is going to be new to me and to you also. And of course we have this right here, which is, well, that's not word form.
Place value. Place value.
All right, let's look at A.
A. Oh, standard form.
All right, standard form. Read that number to me. Marquise.
2 and 35,000. 5.
Try it again. Look at it. Look at it. Count your place value first.
Okay.
All right.
2 and 3,500.
Very good. 2 and 3,500. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree. All right, now it says write the word form. It gave you the standard form in numbers, Now it's asking to write the word form. It gave you some of it to and. All right, get your pencil. I want you to work with your partner. Yes. Okay. You can work with him. You can come work with her. Okay. I'm going to put both of your brains together. Work with your partner. You're writing the word form. What form?
Word form.
What form?
Word form.
What form?
Word form.
All right. Write the word form. Remember, when you're working with your partner, you should talk loud enough just for you and your partner. Excuse me. All right, you should be finished. All right, eyes up here. Say, my eyes are on you, Miss Rogers.
My eyes on you, Miss Rogers.
All right, word form. Our word form, what did you write as your word form, Elijah?
2 and 3,500.
What's at the end of that? TH. 2 and 3,500. Raise your hand if you got one correct. Excellent, hands down. All right, let's look at B. It's asking for the what form?
Standard.
It's asking for the what?
Standard.
It's asking for the standard form. We're on B. All right, look at the word form first. The word form, read that for me.
3,614,000.
What's at the end of that?
TH.
TH. All right, work with your partner. Write the standard form.
I'm sure that's how you do this.
Why is it right? No, hold on. Talk to me. Why do you think that's right? Let's see. Raise your hand if you're still working on that.
$614.